One of the last steps is to create a data table to include some information about your element. The problem is that if you try to insert a data table directly into the document, it's not treated like an image or a graphic drawing, and you can't move it around the screen to fit it wherever you like. So you need to use this little trick. In order to make a data table that's a graphic image, first go to the Insert menu and insert a table. That's pretty simple. We're going to make this one 3 by 4. It appears in your document. The next thing you're going to need to do is to highlight all of the columns in the table, right-click, and choose Table Properties from the drop-down menu. Change the table to 1-inch column widths. They need to be about that wide in order to fit the information you're going to type into it. Click OK, and you've got a pretty good looking table. Now, highlight the entire table by clicking and dragging across the cells and cut it out of your document with the Control-X command. Once it's gone, go back to the Insert menu and create a new drawing. And in the drawing field, paste it back in with a Control-V. It'll appear in there ready to go. You can now type information in, such as the particle name, the number of the particles, and the locations. Don't forget your 3 particles are neutrons, NEU, TRON. The protons, actually, I like the protons in the top row, so I'm going to cut it out. Oops, doesn't like that. Got to do a Control-X. I'm going to paste it in up here. We're going to make neutrons here. And of course down in your last one is the electron. That looks good. The number of protons is the same as the atomic number of your element. In the case of plutonium, that's 94. The number of neutrons is the atomic mass minus the number of protons, or the atomic number. So that's 244 minus 94. That's 150. And then last of all, the number of electrons always matches the number of protons, 94. Don't forget that your protons are in the nucleus. Your neutrons are in the nucleus. And your electrons are in energy, levels. That's taken up a little too much space. We'll reduce that font size down to about let's try an 8, 9. That's enough to fit in there. Now, be sure to add borders to your table. Let's go here and add borders throughout the table, and it's ready to go. Close it, save and close, and it pops right in. Don't forget to click on the table you just created, wrap the text, and now you can move it around with all the other elements that you've created. Nice job.